See, first of all, I have no hair, right? I mean, it's going away. It's slowly balding. And as a person who's losing all his hair, I hate it when women complain about hair fall. Just anything. Getting a chowkidar ka job also, there has to be some nepotism involved. Because somebody else can also get it, right? If you think starting dating somebody will change your life, no, it won't. You'll have to now deal with another person's problems also.
Well, it's another weekend, and that's precisely why we're here in Angira's bathroom. Super It's 93.5 Red FM pe. It's, well, one of the segments where we have an exclusive invite-only guest. And joining me today is none other than Bangalore-based comedian. He's super funny, he's intelligent, Krithart Srinivasan.
Yeah, hey, that's how I look like.
You're a comedian by profession. You
Right.
entertain people, but also, when it comes to comedians and entertainment together, people ask you the first question whenever they see you, say something funny.
Oh, yeah. People do that.
What do you think about that?
I think it's damn cute. You think that that's how professions work, and it only happens to us if you think about it, right? If you go tell somebody, hey, I'm an RJ, they're like, Gana sunao. Like, they don't know.
I was going to say, so here's the thing. When we come into our shows, we do a lot of prep. We're talking about what songs are playing, all of that. So how do you come up as a comedian with material?
Sometimes you have a thought, and then you write down that thought in your book or your phone or whatever. And then you try to figure out what else you can add to this thought. Like, it would just be like one random thing. Like, if I find something on the road or somebody says something funny, and then you try to make that funny. You try to pull it and drag it and add jokes and add tangents and tags and things like that. You try it out in open mics and nobody laughs for the first time. And then you're like, "Chha, ye nahi kaam chalega." Then you try harder, and then sometime, maybe in 6 months, it will become a joke.
If you were ever, for real, in Angira's bathroom, what is the first thing that you'd notice?
I judge what brands you use.
Okay.
Like, if you're using something like organic, sentimental, like, I don't, then I'm like, this person has a lot of time. That's what you understand.
Right.
Like, you had time to think of which brand to buy. That's a lot of time. See, first of all, I have no hair, right? I mean, it's going away. It's slowly balding. And as a person who's losing all his hair, I hate it when women complain about hair fall.
Who makes Krithart Srinivasan laugh?
Nothing in the recent times has made me like go crazy laughter. The Dharmender, Amitabh Bachchan,
Chupke Chupke.
Chupke Chupke. Do you remember that?
Driver,
Yeah, where he
Sharmila
plays the
Tagore.
driver.
Of course.
Oh, isn't that the best,
Yeah.
funniest movie? Like, that era of comedy was just so much funnier than what we see today.
What is the funniest joke that you've ever heard?
Like Hathi Cheeti, Santa Banta, that way.
Chintu Pintu.
Yeah, Chintu Pinta's a thing.
Favorite recent Bollywood artist and their song?
Amit Trivedi, all his songs.
All his songs.
All his songs are the best.
The singer you think needs an alternative career?
Badshah.
The most inappropriate nonsense song, according to me, there are plenty, but this is your show, which is currently trending.
Most of these remake songs, I feel like that.
Nepotism is being talked a lot these days. It's the new hashtag. And since you're in a career where there's a lot of people who, constantly, there's a huge competition for it. Do you think nepotism exists in the comedy circle?
I mean, nepotism exists in any job. Like, you need to know a few right people to get to a few right places. And then if you're good, you'll get ahead. You know what I mean? Like, every job, including like getting a job as just anything. Getting a chowkidar ka job also, there has to be some nepotism involved. Because somebody else can also get it, right? Like, meri sifarish ki wajah se aaya hai. You know?
Acha,
That's how this country functions. It functions on sifarish and recommendations.
And bullies.
Yeah.
If you were shipwrecked on a deserted island and all your human needs, matlab your khana pina was taken care of,
Oh, perfect.
what are the two things that Krithart Srinivasan would take with him?
I think I'll just take books and maybe anything non-digital.
If you had a choice between two superpowers, being able to fly or being invisible, what would Krithart Srinivasan be?
I'll definitely be invisible.
Don't you think it's creepy?
Yeah, but like, I'll use it for good things, like I told you. Like, I won't use it for money or bad things. I'll use it for eavesdropping on political news. I'll be like a journalist then. I'll stop being a comedian.
The invisible journalist. Three things that nobody's ever known or heard about Krithart Srinivasan.
मेरी जिंदगी is खुली किताब. Like, I do see. Here's the problem with that question. Okay, like, 1 second. Because something wrong with me, I'll make that into a joke. That's how I get material. So now, if I don't tell it to public, then I'm losing out on content.
True.
So a lot of people know a lot of things about me. Some things you might not know is I have secretive OCD about socks.
Which is what?
Like, I have a very weird thing about socks. Like, I have way too many of them. I change them too often. I get worried when one pair goes missing from the other.
You change too often means halfway through your work you'll just change stock.
No, but like I also wear socks like at home, just essay.
Okay.
Like that's if
There's
somebody
nothing
like
weird
article of
about it.
clothing that you can carry with you to that deserted island, I'll carry socks in.
Socks. So cute. Okay, the other thing?
I wanted to become a travel blogger and not a comedian. And I once had an out and I was considering it, but that travel blogging career failed.
Two mandatory things that Kritaz Srinivasan has to do when you wake up.
Two things: I waste the whole morning and I drink coffee. And I love making my coffee in the morning. I actually invest in way too much in coffee than I should in other things.
When you read the newspaper today, there are three very important things that are usually spoken about,
Right.
which is the love jihad. Then you also have this trending topic of, the caste system. People are constantly talking about, and also the violence against women and children.
Right.
What is the one thing that you would support? Kritaz Srinivasan would
Support?
support.
Like, you mean I would be against, right?
Not well. You can support.
I can't support women violence. Like,
What is it? All right.
Uh-huh.
What is the one thing that interests you?
youngsters being forced into marriages.
The one advice that you give your younger self, if you ever got a chance to go back in time.
I think if I change my youngster person, I won't be what I am today.
Right. So you're okay with.
Yeah. I'm
Your
very
journey.
okay with everything he did wrong.
Fair enough. It's Valentine's week. Before we let you go, what do you have to tell all the single people in the house?
That's right, single people. See, life is tragic anyways. Okay, if you're single or committed, like things don't change. If you think starting dating somebody will change your life, no, it won't. You'll have to now deal with another person's problems also. So, best thing to do is if you're single, don't cry about it. We are doing stand-up shows on the weekend. You can come and
Entertain yourselves.
Yeah, hum hai na? Why are you stressed? We'll speak on your behalf. Actually.
Okay, wonderful. Well, you guys stay tuned. We'll catch up with you soon. That was rhyming. Also, it's Valentine's week. I hope you're having a great time. Enjoy yourselves. Stay in love. Be in love. Also, like, share, and comment our video.
Bajate raho.
Red FM 93.5